Yeah, we get it. It can be tough to keep mealtime healthy if you're a busy parent on the go. So we want to share some advice to help you out. Here's what an expert recommends you keep stocked at home to make sure that you and your family are getting plenty of nutrition.
Part of being a family is that we always have busy lives, and so having things that are at the ready make healthy choices that much easier.
The first thing Laura recommends to keep stocked at home is quick cooking whole grains.
Things like whole wheat pasta or quinoa or even ready brown rice. Those things are fiber filled and keep us feeling satisfied for longer.
She also suggests that families be ready with make-ahead proteins.
So things like meatballs. Quick proteins make us feel full and satisfied at meals, so it's less tempting to go out for fast food or have other things in your kitchen.
And finally, make sure there are always vegetables ready to go.
Things that are cut up and already prepared so you can grab them easily and have them as an accompaniment at meals. Meals should have half of our plate be filled with veggies, so having them ready makes it even easier for us.
There you have it, 3 things to keep in the kitchen to help set up successful healthy eating for the entire family. Hey, did you like that and you want more Living Healthy content? It's easy. Just check out these videos right here.